Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a new Cash App account with same number. All right, let's begin. Now, regardless of why you may want to know how to make a new Cash App account with the same number, I'm here to help you. Officially, it's against Cash App's terms of service to have multiple accounts or more than one Cash App account. But technically, you can have more than one Cash App account. However, it might be best to close your current Cash App account before opening a new one, but that's your choice. When making a new Cash App account with the same number, we would suggest not associating your number with the new account. Instead, only use an alternative email address when you sign up to avoid using the same number with two Cash App accounts. So that's basically how you can create a new Cash App account with same number. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.